What I thought was an abandoned industrial site wasn't what it seemed. Hidden somewhere in the Hungarian countryside, this place looked completely deserted. Broken structures, empty basins, and no signs of life. Or so I thought.
There's actually a truck on the train right now.
Only minutes into the explore, things took an unexpected turn. Luckily, right next to this side, I found something else. An abandoned campsite, slowly being taken back by nature. And this time, it really was abandoned.
Good morning everyone and welcome to another explore. Today I am at, I think, a water filtration system near Balaton. I accidentally found this place just scouring the coastline of Balaton Lake on Google Maps, and this looked suspicious, so yeah, that thing is still making noise, so I'm gonna stay away from that because electricity scares me. However, I do think it's not really in use anymore because of this, you know, it doesn't really look like it's active. But I'm still going to be careful because Hungary is Hungary, and even though something looks abandoned, that doesn't mean it entirely is abandoned. Although it would be safe to say that this is not in use anymore. Let's take a look at one of these. I don't know what it's called. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Jeez. There's more. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super cool. Look at this view. Lovely overgrown. In the background you can see Lake Balaton. That's amazing. Alright, it is boiling hot again. It's insane. It's still being taken care of though, you can see the grass gets mowed and a car drives here, so you wouldn't be surprised if there's still some security or some extreme, you see the tracks, extreme basic maintenance or something, but they're not here now. Oh, I hate falling in this. So cool, so serene. So massive as well. Like that thing would turn. Oh. Yeah, let's not fall in here. Let's not do that. Again, there are some lovely walls to do some parkour. Precision. Cat leap. Huh? It's a water challenge for Stura. Wow. Big cobweb. There's actually a truck on the train right now, so I gotta sneak away. Oh, this works. Yeah, sure, I'll just go to the lake. Okay. Ah shit, can't get away here. Well, this just became a whole different kind of mission. Here we go. Oh, doesn't seem to care. Alright, well, I'll just walk away, I guess. This massive truck is behind me. That one, but he doesn't really care. I mean, whatever, I guess. Just gonna walk away. Back the way I came. Ow! There we go. No idea what that was about, but I walked away. They didn't seem to care. I think there's an abandoned campsite nearby, so I'm gonna check that out. If it is indeed abandoned, then I will see you there, and if not, this is the end of the video. So see you in the next one, maybe. All right, something Hungarian, blah blah blah, bejárat. Bejárat is entrance, so I'm guessing this is no entrance. I don't care, I don't speak Hungarian, man. Oh, my shoes have lost all the grip, so I'm gonna be super careful here. It's a bunch of pipes sticking out, you see? It's like there was some kind of railing or something. Yeah, look, I think there was some kind of path once before. Ah, there you go. Oh, my ankle. Man, I'm getting old. Tilos. Tilos means stop. Jeez, well, I mean, I'm 100%, oh, kurva. I'm 100% positive this path doesn't get used very often, because I've had like 30 spiders on my face already. Oh, where are we at? There's a building. This is a building. This is very much a building. Doesn't seem very up to code anymore. If you guys could feel what I'm feeling right now, then you'd be itchy all over, because I feel like so many spiders are on my face. And oh, Nemyo, that's not good. Let's see, I think this is a abandoned campsite, so let's see if we can find some more things. I hear voices that it's at a strand nearby. So the strand is like a beach. Hola. Hola, trespassing Belgian. No one around. Yeah, this is a campsite. Not in use anymore though. This is honestly quite lovely. This is a whole camping, which it's difficult to film and make it interesting. However, it must have been beautiful. Just think about it, having your tent here, right next to this lake. You wake up in the morning, you say, fuck it, I'm gonna go for a swim. Yeah, you can. No one gives a fuck. That's amazing. Look at this. However, it's important to be aware of your surroundings. As you can see, this right here has a different color than all of this, which means people still walk here. Which kind of makes sense, because I think on Google Maps I saw boats laying down here, which is why I'm walking this way. I'm not sure if I will be able to get out. No, I will not. It's locked. However, I can see the boats, so that is still used to store some boats. There's a building here which I think was just toilets and showers and all that bollocks. Yep, just toilets. But I would be surprised if this place does not have a swimming pool. It should have it. Maybe not. Okay, well, that's it then. Might seem stupid, but this tree right here is a good reminder of how insignificant we actually are. Because if one day civilization is gone, that shit will be everywhere. Nature always finds a way. Oh, there's metal post in my way, no worries, I just fucking grow through it. Nature finds a way, always. That used to be a ping pong table. Imagine all the fun this table has seen. And I was just standing here. Well guys, that is it for today. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.